changing at the truck stop here, the pilot. This is what it happens when you have over 75 or 76 total gross weight of a tire got flat. It just blew up like this. I just replaced it yesterday at the TA truck stop. Because my weight is kind of heavy right now, less than 80,000 pounds, even though, look at this. You know, I was driving very slow too. Look at this, like a brand new tire. It just blew off because of the weight. So, I'm at the truck stop here. This is how they change the tires. It's working right now. It's releasing all the bolts right now. Now each tire about 100 pounds or more than? Yeah, that tire is very heavy. One tire about 100 pounds, so it's very heavy. So need a special, skill for this tire change. Tools like that. And don't try home, folks. Very dangerous. Now, one used tire cost tire price and the label close a little over $300, and a brand new costs about like $500 and $600, depends on which tire you're gonna put it on. So one tire is very expensive. I spoke to this mechanic, 1920, 1930, $500. You can buy brand new car for that 1930. Year of 1930. Now one tire, some of them $600. Not expensive today's everything. No, this one. Excuse me. You're changing this tire only, not that one. Rotating, I so you're rotating, I guess. No, for the safety, I see. So he's a professional, he knows what to do. Making a balance. Change each other. weekend. These folks working on the Saturday weekend, folks. They open 7 days. He told me that he doesn't get a weekend overtime pay. I guess he's a regular hour job, like a 5 days shifting. Watching a YouTube channel. This is how to change tires from Smithtown, Pennsylvania. This is Pilot Truck Stop, folks. Come down visiting here. They are professional jobs here, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbs up if you like my YouTube channel. So long. See you again.